Hello and welcome to Amjad Academy. In a continuation with our PDC reagent, in this part 4, we will talk on the examples based on PDC reagent. So here we will go, and here we have slight introduction with our PDC reagent. PDC reagent, it is also known as Conforth reagent, and in 1962, Sir John Workup Conforth have discovered it. It is also known as pyridinium salt of dichromate, and it has no effect over allylic primary alcohol. It will simply convert this primary allylic alcohol into an aldehyde. Now here the question comes, what will happen if our saturated primary alcohol contain acid labile group? Now here the property is PDC reagent, it is less acidic than our PCSO. So as it is less acidic, so it will not do any effect over this our acid labile group. Now here PDC reagent, it is in a 1.5 equivalence with the dichloromethane as a solvent, and we know that PDC reagent, it is sparingly soluble in dichloromethane, so it will convert this primary alcohol simply to aldehyde. So here I will write the structure. Here we have double bond O, single bond H. The mechanism for this reaction I will write here. Here is the mechanism. This O, then I will write it as like this hydroxyl group I am writing it, and here we have the structure of our PDC reagent, PYH positive. Here we have double bond O, then chromium, oxygen, then chromium, then O negative, with it has PYH positive, then double bond O. Okay. Now what will happen, my dear brother and sister? Here oxygen chromium वर अटैक करना है. This oxygen will attack over chromium. This chromium oxygen double bond will convert into a single bond. So here we will have O, then O, then we have our chromium with us, and then O negative, PYH positive, and here we have newly formed O negative, this double bond O as it is, and here chromium, double bond O, single bond O negative, PYH positive here, and this double bond. Now as we know that this oxygen, this hydroxyl oxygen, it has hydrogen here. This hydrogen I am writing it like this, and as you know that this oxygen is a trivalent, so to make it stable, this O negative will abstract this hydrogen. This oxygen hydrogen bond electron will shift over oxygen to make it neutral, and here we will write the reaction. This O, then our O, then chromium, then O negative, PYH positive here, and here we have newly formed hydroxyl group, this double bond O as it is, this O with the chromium, O negative, PYH positive here, and here we will have our structure. Now in the next step, what we'll do in the next step, we will make chromatic star by shifting this negative charge over chromium oxygen, and this chromium oxygen bond electron will shift over oxygen. This moiety will get removed, and the structure we will get here is like this: O, then chromium, this double bond O, and then OH. The removed moiety I will write here: O negative, PYH positive, these two double bond as it is, and this newly formed one negative over oxygen. To neutralize it, this our pyridinium ion will come here, and it will become neutral white. Now here we have chromatic star. In the next step, I will utilize this chromatic star. O, then chromium, double bond O, double bond O, single bond OH. Now what will happen, my dear brothers and sisters? It has two hydrogen, this carbon, it has two hydrogen over here. This oxygen will take its electron, bond electron, and it will attack over this hydrogen, and this hydrogen carbon bond electron will shift over carbon oxygen, and here we will get the structure, this O, double bond O, and then H plus our chromic acid. So here we will get chromic acid as a byproduct, and this our aldehyde. So here we have seen, if acid labile group is with our saturated primary alcohol, our PDC will not affect over acid labile group, and it will directly convert this primary alcohol into an aldehyde. Now in the next step, we have an interesting example from the book of Zoephil. It is given in the book of Zoephil, and it is being asked in our university, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, for 2 marks, and with the mechanism it is being asked for the 4 marks. So here we have the example with us. Now as you can see, this PDC reagent with 1.5 equivalence in a solvent of dichloromethane, DCM, dichloromethane, and we know that it is sparingly soluble in dichloromethane. So what it will do, it will directly convert this primary alcohol into an aldehyde. It will give us a controlled oxidation. But in case of DMF, here is the point, in case of water, DMF and DMSO, here it will give us an over oxidation product, So the product is a acid. The product we get here is acid. Why it is? Because our PDC reagent, it is 3.5 in a 3.5 equivalence, and it has one special property, it is a solvent dependent, and it is completely soluble in water, DMF or DMSO. So it will directly convert this primary alcohol into an acid. It will not stop over aldehyde stage. It will give us a over oxidation product, that is acid. And if you want to know its mechanism, I have already given its mechanism in our PDC part 3. You just go and watch it. I will attach its link in the description. Thank you for coming on Amjad Academy.